Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to ENA's Dream Barbecue. We're gonna see where this is going, man. Wild. Wild. Can the business bear the liability of obliterating this smoke machine? Yes. Hit him with the fan. Uh-oh, it's pissed. Oh, it's getting dark. It no longer moves. I feel like I did something bad. Oh! Oh, might as well take a nice little chow-chow. Nope. No chow-chow for me. Only business. Oh! I'm back in the party room. Hello? He said bathroom.
The issue with the bathroom has been resolved. Our business with the boss is our next priority. He will be down the drain in no time.
何に降りるって？笑えないぞ。適当なこと言ってごまかそうたってそうはいかないからな。あんたの仕事は何だっけ？いい加減に一気に仕事を片付けるのに集中するぞ。はあ、もう二度とバスルームの話をするなよ。
Agreed. Toilets are death traps.
ああ、そうだ、言い忘れてた。あんたが何をしたのか知らんが、その効果は確かに現れてるよ。あの嫌なスモークがだいぶ消えたんだ。ご苦労さんだったな、エナ。おかげで随分仕事が楽になったよ。だがひょっとするとまた別の窮地に立たされてるかもしれないぞ、エナ。
Really, a predicament?
こいつはピンチが繰り返されるよ。
Yes, it is.
Ah, predicaments, huh? I'm good at those.
I am good at those.
今あんたがいるところのドアが閉まろうとしてるらしい。そこに閉じ込められるかもしれないってことがわからないか。
Well, it's time to be that one drop inside that ocean full of opportunities. Am I right?
あ、そうかそうか。あんたには
He says sure.
わざとやらがあるんだったな。じゃああんた本当にやれるんだな。だから行ってきなさい。やれることは何でもやって戻ってくるんだ。
I'm going in. Duh. I just want to live to see Dragula again. This is so crazy. Hello? No. I guess we're gonna go this way and find out. Yeah. Whoa, such muscular biceps. So creative. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Excuse me. They're connected by old computer cable. Can't remember what that is called exactly. Oh, look, it's the San Francisco Bridge. Okay. Oh, is that the prince? I know he speaks language. Excuse me.
A nice surprise. Two travelers meet again. although mayhap in happier circumstance.
Mayhap.
I can no longer sense the stench of any lie. Vain pretense has met his match, and noble truth holds sway.
Okay. So. The fuck? Oh. Why are these cubes here? Oh! I have more cubes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. The cubes! The cubes! Help! The cubes! Leave! Wait, open? Open. Shit. What if I hit? It's not budging. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good, you guys. Oh, that's not good. The cubes, I'm crystallizing. I'm crystallizing! Ah, no! Help! I've become Muldoon sea salt. Oh shit. This is crazy. I love this. Holy crap. What a strange game. Please don't be the end. Please don't be the end of the game. Please don't be super short. Oh, it is the end of Chapter 1. Well, I'm gonna let these credits play off, but can't wait for Chapter 2. Again, this game is completely free, and it is just a pleasure to play. This is super fun. Everybody who worked on this, the names. Wait! Dragula's Vinny? I thought he sounded familiar, but I wasn't sure. Serpello is the bus? Aw! Oh, there's so many good names here. Yo, everybody who worked on this, fucking... You get this. This is for you. Also, Serpello, I love you. Monkey. But thank you all so much for watching. To my subscribers, thanks for coming back. Again, this game is free, so go give it a try it. Try it. It's awesome. I clearly didn't do everything in Chapter 1, but it is super great. And as usual, I will catch you in that next video. And I'm gonna let this play out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
I am Bachelor.
おい、専門外のことはよせ。みんな誤解するぞ。